In today's video, we're going to make a Bitmoji virtual classroom. First, open up your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and go to bitmoji.com. Scroll down and click on Bitmoji for Chrome desktop so you could add it to your Google Chrome. It's going to ask you to sign in and click on Add the extension. Once you add it, you'll see Bitmoji on the top right corner, that green icon. Go to Google Slides. Log in with your district network. Open up a new slideshow. I have mine already made just to show you what it could look like. You could of course move around everything, change your background, change the scene. You could have one at the front of the classroom, one in a small group table. You could add links to things. So let's get started. We're going to start with the background. Change your background, choose an image, Google search image, search for floor and walls, pick one that you like, and click done. Now we're going to start decorating. You could add as much or as little as you want. And for this, you could just search through Google or insert images from Google. Resize them to make sure they look good. I'm going to add a carpet. I'll add a computer on my desk. And I'll add a chair to sit on. You could change the orientation of the chair. You go to Format Options. Here you could change the color of it. And if you go to Size and Rotation, you could flip the image. Go up to the Bitmoji extension, click on it, and you could search for your Bitmoji. You could have yourself standing up, you could have yourself reading a book, all kinds of different things. Once you find one you like, click on it. It'll add it onto your classroom, resize it, and there you go. You could add as much or as little as you want. You could add posters to the background. You could add a clock, banners, decorations. Here I'm going to add a link to my Seesaw classroom and to my Google Classroom. So I'm just going to look up the Google Classroom icon so that students know to click on it. They should recognize this icon. I'll put it on the bookshelf. Click on it, right click, and go to Insert Link. And I'll just paste the link to my Google Classroom. That way when students click on it, it'll take them straight to my Google Classroom. And you could do that for your Seesaw classroom as well. You could change your Bitmoji to have them sitting down, standing up, reading a book, reading with students, all kinds of things.